Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So it was a good week for me. So I went with 3 trades and almost a 40% return on investment for this week. So capital used was around 45,000 and return which I got was around 17,860. So first trade logic is last week expiry was on Wednesday. So I bought a naked call option since Thursday was a holiday. So I expected a good gap up on Friday. So it was following some good global cues. Dow Jones futures were pretty well. So once I got the good gap up, I immediately bought a cover for it. So I usually go with 100 strike difference for the cover. Since I got a good gap up, the premium which I was looking for the cover, I got the same premium in the 150 strike difference as well. So this trade went up to today morning. So I completely got the payoff once market opened. So you can see it was 17,250 and 17,400. So usually I go with if it's 17,250, I usually go with 17,350. So since gap up was pretty well, so I went on with 50 more as 17,400. So you can see Nifty went well in this coming expiry. So it was rally around 400 to 500 points. So I got complete payoff out of this. So once I exited this trade, so I was waiting for the RBI policy. So I did not take up any trade until then. So anything could happen in RBI policy. So I was expecting around 25 BPS hike. So and even 25 was a good bullish sign, but they went on with no change actually. So what I did was I immediately took a call position, that is naked call, once the decision was done. So I got a good you can see I have marked a line. So entry was that one. So you can see I got a good profit. So once I got the profit, I took up the cover as well. So you can see. So even that screen recording I have added. So it was 17,550, and since today was the expiry, I went with the 50 points difference. It was 17,600. So and I booked as well. So I did not wait for the complete payoff as well in this one. So I expected a sell-off as well after a small bull run. So I did not wait for complete payoff. I exited that as well. And in the later half, you can see Nifty was facing rejection and banknifty was under a selling pressure as well. So what I did was I looked for one more opportunity. So it was a bear put spread. So same logic I used even in that. So you can see once I have marked the line there. So that was the entry point for the bear put spread. So once I exited this one, I took up with the same logic in that one as well. So you can see the marked line is the entry point. So this was 17,550 and 17,500. So this particular trade risk reward was pretty well. So I did not wait for complete payoff in this as well. I exited with a good profit.